What's going on, guys? So in this video, well, tonight's Sunday, the 4th of October. Just got back a little while ago from a trip down to Alamo, and me and a few of my buddies went. We went down and stayed in El Centro. We got our bait in El Centro at the canal in my prior video, catching tilapia. And we went, and the first night, Friday night, we got out to the river. It was about I don't know, 11 o'clock, and we went up by Shank Road on the Alamo, right above the drop in outside of Brawley. So we hit a little inlet right next to the bridge for a few hours, hooked up on a couple fish, and then we ended up moving down to the drop in the middle of the night. I hooked up on one about 3 in the morning. Then the next day, we slept in. We fished till probably like 4 or 5 in the morning, went back to the hotel, slept in, and then got out to get bait at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Got bait, and we drove north. We drove way up to Garce Bridge, right there below the Salton Sea outside of Calipatria. Fished off the bridge for a little while. Was able to hook up on one, and then we moved down towards an inlet probably 200 yards down the river, or up the river actually, towards Calipatria. And I hooked up on one, and we bounced down, moved around, fished behind Brant Cattle for a little, and I was able to hook up on another one right there behind Brant Cattle. And then we moved down to the bridge on Ruger right above the twin drops. And we fished off the bridge and had some runs, missed a lot of hookups, and tried using double hook rigs for the first time and kind of liked them. Was getting snagged up, losing gear, but I'm running 100-pound braid, 4 to 8 ounce sinkers, 80-pound mono leaders, and size 9 double action octopus hooks, and 10-aught octopus hooks, and just throwing out live baits, trying to throw some cut bait on 3-way rigs, but all the hits, all the action came on live bait this trip, and got eaten alive by the mosquitoes up by the Salton Sea. But it was a fun trip overall. Let me know what you guys think. Hey, Junior, kill the music.
No, he's peeling drag, bro. He's good.
Yeah, hold on. Heck yeah.
There you go. First one of the night. You guys using net or I'll just grab it? No, he's a good one, dude. He's good. I've never felt one.
Babe, let me call you back. That's on a fish. Hold on.
Go.
Babe, I'll call you back.
No, he's peeling.
I know. Hold on. It's all right. Let him run.
Here we go. 15, 20 minutes.
It's all right. How tight's that drag? Oh, he's peeling.
It's good. He's peeling.
It's an 80-pound test, dude. Hold on. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah, there. Yeah.
They're in the
Boom.
bag.
You're good. Just let the pole do it. If he wants to run, let him run.
Hold on, I'm coming. I'll help you.
Yes, sir. Hooked up on the first one. It's a little guy.
Little.
Here. Hold on. Hold on. I don't want to get hooked. That's a freaking high teens, dude. That's a high teens. Yes, sir.
Is it bait in there?
Oh yeah, he swallowed that bait. It's gone. Oh, go up. Hold on, watch your pole. Watch your pole. Double hook rigs.
That's how you do it, dude. The double hook.
Yes, sir. Got the double hook rig on them. Last time, hold on, Seth. Let me see that. Last time we missed a bunch of runs. This time the double hook rig came through. Boom! What you know about that? That's the biggest catfish you ever caught, boy.
Nice one, huh?
Yeah, let me grab the scale, Junior.
It's in the back seat right here. I'll grab it real quick. Hold on.
I don't know if this one's got batteries in it. I gotta put.
You got 2? That's great. Wait till I get the drone on here.
Sethro, how's it feel, dude? I ain't never fought nothing like that.
No, when you started peeling drag, I'm like, oh yeah. What are you
Is
saying?
it zeroed out?
18.
Oh, you didn't even turn it on.
It's, I say 14.
I don't know, dude.
14.
14?
Mm-hmm.
18.
14.
Yeah.
18.
No, he's gonna be like 14 or 15 pounds.
What?
Yes. All day.
Is it
Zeroed out? Yeah.
14.7.
Well, you called it.
14.7, dude.
Uh-oh. Somebody else is getting a jingle.
Here, Seth. Just grab him, dude. What the hell? Hold on. I'll get a picture of you this time. Yep. There we go. Hold on, Seth. Look at the camera. 14 pounder. We've been here like 5 minutes. Hold on. Let me get a picture of you this time. One, two, three.
It's a healthy looking fish too.
1, 2, 3.
It's a good
Good looking fish. Been here 5 minutes. Get the release. You better flip him over. You got to revive him. Flip him over so he's all right. Run him back and forth.
She's gone.
Run him back and forth, dude. Till she's good.
Nice spot. Immediately on fish.
Come on, little Betsy, take out. There you go. Ah, got him, coach. Hey, soaked him. Good job.
Didn't hear no noise.
Rich is hooked up.
Not too big.
Rich is hooked up.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Here, I got you, buddy.
That's right.
that's right. Oh, little dude.
Little baby. Here, slide him this way. Oh, that's probably a 4 or 5 pounder.
Almost took the rod. That's right. Blessing you. Muddy River catfish. He's a nice one. He's aggressive.
Yeah, dude.
Right? Almost took it.
Almost took your pole in the water, dude.
Yeah, that pole just.
He wouldn't take it. The bait runner was
It was
on.
almost gone.
No,
It
dude.
was gone.
Gone, bro.
It was like,
It was almost gone.
look at the pole holder.
Dang.
It was
Folded it.
gone.
Horizontal.
All right, dude. I'm.
Here, let's
I'm
go
out
up.
there.
Another little guy, second of the night.
That's right. I need a picture.
We will.
The beast.
Soaked me.
River.
One little fucking...
God, look at it, Ben. That wasn't me.
That's why I don't like those things, dude. They close right there.
Nice, dude.
Right?
You have to like aim in a certain way so it doesn't do that.
We'll deal with that in a second. Go up.
I'm gonna rebait.
Where you got a fish, dude.
Nice, dude. Yes, sir. Grab him, Richie Rich. Watch your mouth, Junior.
That's a
Here.
giant tilapia for sure.
Why isn't it working? I don't know why this GoPro ain't working. I just put a new battery in it. Whatever. All right.
Snagged up or got fish?
Another freaking,
No, nothing.
another Muddy Mo flathead. Richie Rich. Let's get a flick.
Why is he all of a sudden lively when I get him out of the water? Be lively in the water.
Smile, Grump.
Oh man.
Nice.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. But I want bigger and better.
Nice shot, bud.
Money.
Look around, girl.
Going the wrong way.
Should be good. Heck yeah. The night's still young. My bait got crushed, dude. My second hook rolled into it. Where it grabbed it, it was crushed. But my other hook rolled into it. Hey, grab my headlamp, Junior, off the car. Yeah, he's a good one, dude.
One click full high on this?
What? No, two. Go to 2 or 3.
Here we go, Alamo.
Thanks, buddy. Yep. All right, we were hooked up. It ran with it, stopped, so I grabbed it, reeled down on it to see if it was still there. I felt them tugging. I don't know how big it is, but oh, it's a good one, dude. Heck yeah, it's like, what, 3 in the morning? We're right here on a drop outside of Brawley.
In the net.
In the net. Hey, Junior, stand it upright. Yeah. Yes, sir. Dang. Finally hooked up.
Good size one, too.
Finally hooked up. On the double hook rig. Got him.
Good hook.
Yes, sir. I kept that.
Bright yellow, huh?
Yeah, I kept that bait on from the last spot. Shee. Yes, sir.
Go down.
Alamo Flatties. Nice, dude. Yes. Here, set throat.
You want to scale it or what?
Nah, just a pick.
Good.
Yes, sir. 3 o'clock in the morning. 3rd spot of the night.
Scale him or no?
No, he's probably like 4, 4.5. Between 4 and 5, dude. He ain't very big. It's a nice guy though, huh? Good looking little fishies. I love them. That's why we come. That's 3 for the night so far. He's gone. Yee! We got Junior on a fish. Finally.
Yeah, dude. He's good.
It's a good one.
Right when it's starting to get dark.
It's all right.
Maybe come over here. Keep him away from
Yeah.
the banks. Switch up.
It's a little guy.
No, it's not.
Bet.
No, it's a good one, dude.
Yeah, he's pulling drag, dude. I can't reel him in.
That's right.
Yeah, you can.
Enjoy
Don't
it.
let that fucking.
Watch your mouth.
No, don't let that fish beat you. Alright, keep
Enjoy
it.
it.
Got that thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Keep it sturdy. Feels good, huh?
He's making you earn this
love
one,
it,
huh?
Dude. I love it.
Rob's bet.
I told you, drop it right next to the edge.
Come on.
And all his money spent.
He's mad at the
Hey.
dude.
Is he on the
Yeah,
snag?
dude, no.
He's in the snag.
No, he's
Keep
not.
his head up.
No, he's
No?
not.
Keep
You can
up.
see him
He's mad at
shaking
that.
his head.
Pull him out. Yeah, keep him over.
He's
don't
gonna
let him-
come up.
Yep, keep on him, Junior.
Keep going.
Hey, where's our daylight light?
Spotlight, Charlie.
I'm on it. I got it. Got it.
Charlie, keep your light down there, Toby.
It's all right, buddy. There is a
Little
snag.
guy.
There is a snag. No, that run, that was a good fish.
Where's
Is
he
he still there?
Yeah, he's still there.
Keep him up out of those weeds. Turn his head around.
Look at all these bugs.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yep. We got Junior on the fish.
Head around. Keep him out of there, Junior.
Oh, there you go. I seen that.
Where is he?
Keep on him. Yep. Pull him up out of there.
Come on, Junior.
We're all anxious to see him. Right? Dude. Keep on him.
Good, dude.
This would be a
Hopefully he's a chubby one, dude. I'm stoked.
good workout for your tuna fishing trip next
Otherwise,
week.
you know.
Dude, he's making me sweat.
That's right.
Good.
Oh, he's over here now. He's right here.
He's under
Here,
the bridge.
go. Yes, sir.
Oh, dude, he's fucking huge.
Watch your mouth. He is a big one. Real. Come on, keep the pressure on him.
Bring him up.
Set throw.
There he is.
Hold on.
Bring him up.
He ain't that big. He was in a snag.
Come on.
Come on.
Pull him towards me, Junior.
I'm trying.
Go. He was in a snag. That's why it fought so hard. Yeah.
big.
No, he's not. He's like 7 pounds.
He's big.
He's 7 pounds, buddy. You got him. Yes, sir. Alamo flatties. What?
He's back. Something tried to get him. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, dang,
Something
dude.
grabbed on him.
Either that or he was in a snag. And you ripped him out of it.
That's old.
See, on the hooks.
That looks like a mouth mark right there.
Did Junior grab the, or Richie grab the
That's
pliers?
big hook?
Yeah.
Pliers.
Out of the back of the truck by the live well. Got it, never mind.
Okay.
Here, grab your gear out. Heck yeah. Everybody's caught a fish now this trip. We'll get a scale on it. I'll get a picture for you, buddy. Here, hold them up. Yes, sir. Alamo River Flats.
Yeah.
Up here at Garth's Bridge, right by the Salton Sea, and there's a million bugs.
I thought he was pissing on me for a second. The fish and spin.
It's a healthy looking fish too, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Nice.
Got
Good
little
job.
eyes though.
Yep. Heck yeah, first one of the night. Now everybody's caught one this trip. Sweet.
Just drop him down or
Hey.
go down there?
You know where the scale is?
Yeah.
Hold on, we'll get a weight on him.
Back seat. Or in the back of the bed. In the bed.
Up here at the bridge, we got rods out everywhere. Got rods out everywhere. If there's fish moving,
Right here.
we'll find them.
There's so many freaking bugs out here.
There you go. Zero it out, dude. You got to go underneath the bridge to release them in the water.
Yeah.
Don't just throw them. Is it zeroed?
What do you say?
7 pounds.
7-4.
7 pounds,
4-1.
dude.
8-1.
10.
It's not zeroed out. Told you, dude, I'm good. 7-12.
7-12.
Almost 8 pounds. He's big.
Dude, you.
He was in a snag at first. That's what happened.
That's funny.
Good job, Junior. Heck yeah. Go release him, buddy. Here you go, set throw. Let's go. First one of the night. It's only, what time is it?
Early.
7 o'clock.
Hold on, let me get your thing.
It's peel and drag.
Babe, I gotta go. Charlie's on a fish. I love you.
It's a good one, dude. It's peel and drag, dude.
This one in
Listen to that. Hold on. Fuck the bell. Excuse my language. That's a good one, dude.
Okay, this one's in.
No, no.
Snagged up.
It's all right. It's gonna come. Peel and drag, dude. It's a good one. It's a good one.
These pole holders
Suck. They're garbage.
into me, I'll grab
Coming?
Yeah.
Nice.
Swimming up river now. Oh, did it pop off? It popped off. No.
No, he's probably swimming with you.
Yeah, it's there.
He's swimming with you.
I got it. Hold on. Come out of the bushes, little buddy. I'm over my other line. Here, Junior, go take. No, don't grab that pole out of the pole holder.
Go under you?
Yeah, go under me. Go under me. I got him. There, get there. Go over me, Junior. No, under me, and bring that pole over me. Over me. Got him. He's right here.
You gonna barehand him or you want
Yeah, I'm gonna barehand him.
I'll grab him.
Dude, nice.
Yes, sir.
Dude, you got a big old fat head. Look at that.
Hey. Oh. Get your thumb in him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alamo Flatties. Got him, coach.
She's all yours. Congrats.
Hold on. Let me set the pole down.
Dude, good size one.
You burping? You talking to me, little fella?
You think you beat me?
It's Alamo Flatties, boy.
Yeah, he beat you.
I don't think so.
I think so. Hey, Charlie.
No, I think it's like 14 or 15 pounds. Just leave it. Set it. Let out line, Junior, and set in the pole holder, please. Let out line.
I'm trying,
Flip the switch. You know how to work a bait caster.
Yes,
There.
I'm going, dude.
There we go, baby. Ah, it's a good one. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna press it again to zero it out.
Alamo Flatties. Boy. What's up, Mr. Flatty? Glad you came to visit. Hold on.
It's 0.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
That's it.
Watch. Press it. Don't
Press
press it.
it.
Hold it. Just
There
press
you go.
11.
14 or 15 pounds.
11.
12.
16.
Nice. 12.8. 12 and a half pounds.
Looks bigger than that.
It does look bigger than that. 12 and a half pounds, baby.
Big ol' fucking whiskers on him. Big
Will you
ol'.
guys get a picture?
Yeah. On him, my phone.
That might cost you.
It'll be $5, please.
Turn your
light off.
lamp off on your belly. There you go. Let me turn the flash on. There you go. There it is. That's a cool one.
Yes, sir. Okay. Alamo River Flatties, you know what we do? Send them back. So long, buddy. See you.
Quick too, dude.
See you next time. Shee. Hey, grab your fucking, grab the light. Got him. Ah, fish on, boy. Fish on. I don't know how big he is. He's staying down though. Ah. Oh, it's pretty big, dude.
No.
It's pretty big. He ran right to the side. It's a good one. It's a good one.
He's coming.
Yep.
It's gonna be 3 pounds.
Huh? Grab him, Junior. Good job, buddy. Thank you.
£6.
No way. Maybe 5. Maybe. Maybe 5.
Nice little guy.
Scale them or no?
No.
Here's the light. I'm gonna get back out.
It's always Charlie that's catching the fish.
Oh.
Piece of cut bait.
Oh, language. Whoops.
There we go.
Chum?
Here. Yes, sir. Alamo flatheads. 3rd of the night.
Picture?
Yeah, here, buddy. Yes, sir. Alamo flatheads. Got him, coach. Not too big, little guy. Maybe 5 pounds. Thank you. We'll go back down here and let him go. And he's gone.